Hacker English Academy.
Get up. Get up. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Wash your face. Shave. Shave. Take a shower. Take a shower. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Make the bed. Make the bed. Dry your hair. Dry your hair. Get dressed. Get dressed. Makeup. Makeup. To cook. To cook. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Drink water. Drink water. Wash the clothes. Wash the clothes. Listen to music. Listen to music. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Watch TV. Watch TV. Go to bed. Go to bed. Look for clothes. Look for clothes. Read the book. Read the book. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. Pour the hot water. Pour the hot water. Crack the egg. Crack the egg. Snore. Snore. Learn something. Learn something. Drive your car. Drive your car. Brake the car. Brake the car. Open the door. Open the door. Close the door. Close the door.